Hello my loves, welcome to this squishy ASMR tutorial makeup. Today I'm going to use my squishy cream and I'm going to put it on this beautiful mannequin. I hope you will enjoy it and please let me know. I'm going to use this squishy makeup gel cream. Okay, let's try, my friends. Let's put one here, and one on each cheekbones. Okay, so we really can give it a squishy look. So we put this one here. It's beautiful gel. And the second thing you need really is a brush, so you can really like squeeze it and make from it on each side of the cheekbone like a squishy look. Okay guys, so let's begin. So we put it here like this. Do you see the cream blending? Oh, and welcome to the viral blush. The second thing you need with your hands to really to massage the area of the nose, so you really can give it like the squishy look on a mannequin. You can also do it on your face, but that's how you do it on a real face. Again, this tutorial is just to show you on a mannequin. But first, let's give you some tingles with these candies. Okay, I hope you like it. You also can put it as a fourth step on your bottom of your fingers, so you can actually blend it on the face. This is really like a squishy look. Oh, my mannequin. She's really good though. The squishy look. Now we're going to put it on each side of the face. It's actually cool, the squishy look. Oh, we dropped here, guys. You see that? Oh, my mannequin head. Oh shit. Second thing you can put, the 5-step in our tutorial, is to put this gel right on a bit on the side. Don't fall. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to put a bit of this cream on each side of the cheekbones, so it can really give you the color of the squishy look, because you need really to squeeze it. The 5th step, you can also put some eyeshadow to give it like the color of the squishy look. You can put it a bit here. No, we shouldn't do the eyeshadow. The eyeshadow doesn't blend in with the squishy gel. So this is the steps. Then use this brush again to blend it with this mannequin style. This is one way to do it. I hope you guys enjoy this video. And this is really for my own. I'm not even a copyright channel disclaimer. Non-copyright materials are copyright free, and this is really for my own. If I did anything not according to the tutorial, you can give me an inquiry and I will delete it. Thank you guys for watching this video, and this is a channel disclaimer really.